Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can quit a game in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. Basically guys, right here you're gonna find the list that includes all of the installed games and apps on your device. Here in the left you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store, and right here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now if you want to quit a game on the PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. So the first thing we're gonna do is, for example, I'm gonna start this game and we're gonna wait for it just a little bit to load. And once the game has loaded, this is how it looks like. And right now, just go ahead and go back to the home page by clicking or hold clicking on the PS button on your controller. Then you're gonna be here in the home page. And once you're here in the home page, if you want to quit the game, all you need to do guys is click on options, go to Roblox or to the game you want to close, click on option on your controller, then right here you're gonna find close game, go ahead and click on it, and as you can see guys, now the game is closed. This is pretty easy and pretty straightforward. If you click on option, as you can see guys, here you're gonna find a lot of options like check for updates, upload, download, save data, manage game content, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.